Hey guys, this is Renier with Wilson Hyundai on Lakeland Drive in the beautiful Flowood, Mississippi. Going to introduce a 2020 Palisade to you guys. Just an unbelievable vehicle based upon what you can actually get for the vehicle. So I want to talk to you guys about this vehicle is in such high demand right now with low supply. So we are coming out and I'm going to talk about with my clients to you guys about pre-ordering. So guys, it literally, we are getting vehicles, one or two in, that are going to be coming in like this one, but most of our cars are coming in later December, early January. These cars are still coming in from Usla, Korea, over in South Korea. So we are taking pre-orders, and I am taking pre-orders, and it's a simple process. You guys will come in, sit down with me, visit. Most of the time we will not have one here to show, but I will go through the process. I have a client that will come in, bring her so you guys can look. This one here just came in late last night and probably gone by no later today or tomorrow. It's just how fast these are going. So you'll come in with me, we'll sit down, we'll spec it out, we'll get the colors, we'll agree upon numbers. If you guys are leaving a vehicle, trading a vehicle with us, financing, whatever you guys are doing, simple, easy process. Then what we'll do is we'll take $1,000 good faith deposit, which you can either get refunded back to you when your vehicle comes in, or you can use it towards your purchase when your vehicle actually delivers in from the manufacturer. So easy, quick and simple, guys. This is one of the best vehicles, one of the US's SUV, hottest selling SUVs based upon that, okay? Based upon the value, America's best warranty, the 5-year 60, 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain. This is an 8-seater with a bench seat. We also get them in the captain's chairs where that will be a 7-seater, okay? So absolutely unbelievable. Please reach out to me and call me at 601-914-4222, my direct number. You can find me on Facebook, Renier Sticklin, Mr. HKG. That is pretty much acronym for I know everything about Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis in general. And please come in and see me. This is an absolutely phenomenal vehicle. You will see us on the NFL Network. Hyundai is the proud sponsor of the NFL. The Palisade is showing out now on the NFL Network. So guys, come in, see us. These are available. Customers are absolutely loving pre-ordering, and it's a simple, easy process with me. Hopefully everybody has a great weekend, and thank you.